Yo, what's up sa inyo mga boss, mga master. Ito na tayo ngayon sa panibagong video. Let's go. Ngayon tuturuan ko kayo kung paano bumili using BidPay. Tapos tumbang siya, top up, or paano mag top up dito sa BidPay. So makita natin ang ating UID dahil isa itong requirement. This is a requirement. Yes, this is it. So let me get you to the topic. Trading with BidPay. See, this is my trades. I like to trade with BidPay because I like the UI. For example, this is the good UI. Very clean, very minimalist, and black and gray yellow. I like the color of three colorways. So let me get back to you. So okay. Buy crypto, click buy crypto. For example only, kasi we don't have the budget right now. That much rich in crypto. We're just average person only. For example, we're gonna top up using BidPay exchange. Just click buy now, and the amount you can just read here. Example, buy now. Okay, it must be greater than 30. So it must be 30 and your currency. So Philippines, we're in the Philippines right now, so we're using PHP or the Philippine pesos. Okay, 17. So buy now, then may mag pop up dyan, click mo lang. Yan. So this is your dashboard. You will pay 1,714.2 pesos. So you will receive USDT via BidPay, direct to your BidPay account. You will receive 27.1. Example, if you have GCash, Paymaya, and BPI Online, Union Bank Online, or GrabPay account, and also Shopee Wallet, meron din. Then Visa, Mastercard, or the credit card. You just have to select. So, select. This is Baksha, guys. Sorry. Transact. This is Transact. The partners of BidPay exchange. So, click tayo doon. This is for example only, wala kasi tayong budget to buy. So, ayan. Enter your email. Pa sa GCash, ina-enter natin yung email natin. So, enter nyo lang. Example. Type nyo lang yan dyan. Then, mag-pop up yung screen for PIN confirmation, PIN number. Or you can read the privacy policy, terms of service, and then you can read just to para maging palagay, hindi ka matakot. As of now kasi yung BidPay, so wala pa masyadong person to person. So try naman natin yung Coinify. Okay, 3,900 pesos. So 3,900 pesos. Okay, magpapap ulit. So yun lang, katagalan na. Try natin refresh. Medyo mabagal lang natin internet, guys. Payment chat. Yun, Baksha. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Press again. Pili ito yung pesos. Kung nasa Australia man kayo, Australian dollar. Or, yan. Brazil, Canada, ito US, Europe, GBP, Japan, meron yan, Japan, Hong Kong dollar. So 2,100, 2,050. So may mga instances na ganito, no? Yung Coinify kasi na fresh. So ito na lang, Alchemy. Okay. Yun. So kung may account ka dito, you need to create account first. Saka mo confirm yung payment, or you can pay to QR code. Yun, ito diba? So ulit na naman siya, no? Okay. So it is not supported. The bank siya payment channel is not supported at Philippine pesos. Only tatlo lang to. These three payment channel are only available if you want to tap using DeFi directly to your spot account. 3,000. Okay. So this is, I think it is offline. So later siguro guys, no? Later yan. And for the meantime, so ganun lang kadali bumili, ano? GCash or natin GCash, Paymaya, BPay online, all online, wala ka nang babayaran sa labas. So all using your phone. Then invite ko na rin kayo sa dito sa can join here, just pin the message, read the pin message. So yan, marami sumasali sa pa-event para makakuha ng perpetual bonus. So sign up lang kayo, gamitin yung link sa YouTube channel ko, yung referral ko, create and download DeFi account using Play Store, Android. Click my referral link. So yun lang guys, no? Thank you sa panonood sa inyo, no? Happy trading, no? Happy trading sa atin. So salamat.